Yes, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to separate number from text or extract number from text. So in this video you will learn how to do it. Okay, so if you do not know the trick, you will do like this. Okay, if you do not know the trick, you will separate like this. But in this video you will learn how to separate without doing all these things. So what you have to do first, if you want to extract the text or separate the text, so what you have to do first, in the first cell you have to just type this one. Okay, like this. Now select this one. Okay, now what you have to do, here you have to just press Ctrl and E. Okay, now you will see all the text separated from this. Okay, now here you will see number. Now here you have to just select this and press Ctrl and E. So like this you can separate text and number or split text and number in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.